Alrighty, Chef Buck here. Sister, what's up? What you making?
I'm making Cranberry Brie Bites.
So what are you doing?
I'm greasing the mini muffin pan.
And you're just greasing it up with a little butter?
I'm using Crisco butter.
Crisco butter. That's the best butter.
Yeah. You can use like cooking spray.
Alrighty, so this is part of the mini muffin recipe over here. What is this?
Rosemary. I'm cutting up a few sprigs of rosemary for it.
It smells super duper. And you can use any kind of cranberry sauce you like, but we're using some homemade cranberry sauce. What you got in here, Meemaw?
Cranberries, a navel orange with the juice and the rinds, and cinnamon stick, and sugar.
You chopped up some rosemary, and you're chopping up some pecans?
Yeah.
And you're going to use some Pillsbury Crescent dough sheets. Alright, so you're flouring up a little counter space?
That's right. So the dough doesn't stick to the counter. This is my favorite part of making this, is opening the can, because I get to whack it.
Oh, I missed the whack, man. That was a key part of the video.
Oh man, loser.
You're just going to spread it out on this floured countertop. So you're going to put a little flour on one side.
So it doesn't stick. What you have to do is roll this just a little bit so that you can cut enough little squares to sort of punch in those holes in the muffin tin. So
Now you're going to give it a little roll.
just to spread it a little bit.
How thick are you going to make this? About as thin as my mother's patience. So you're going to cut it into some little squares. So there you go, 24 squares.
That was easy.
And I'm sorry for the bird noise in this video. Mama Redbuck went out there and threw rocks at the bird, but it keeps coming back. Oh, I forgot. Did you bury that bird from yesterday?
No, it's in the oven.
So now you're going to take your little squares and you're going to manipulate them into your mini muffin pan holes. Brie is going to be key. Alrighty, so you're going to cut your brie into 24 little chunks and then put it in your little shells. Okay, so now we're putting a little bit of cranberry sauce in on top of your cheese. So now you're going to put your pecans and your chopped rosemary on top.
Right.
Yeah, having a large chunk of rosemary is aesthetically appealing, but chopping up your rosemary is actually going to give you more of a rosemary bite. So now it's going to go in the oven?
350 for 15 minutes. You're just melting the cheese and baking the little dough.
You got to get them out before they burn, huh?
Yep.
You got to keep a close eye on them, because that pastry will overcook super quick. So you're going to go ahead and take them out of the hot pan. That looks super duper perfecto. That brie is melted, that rosemary, that chopped rosemary. What a great aroma. Super duper job, sister. Oh, I don't know, they actually look like pretty big bites. They're kind of a big bite.
They're very good.
The tart of the cranberries and the creaminess of that brie cheese, it's a great combination.
Come here, Louie. Come here and get out of the way.
The plate's
please.
plastic.
Come here, Louie.
Really?
What do you think, camera girl?